I'm sure this crate will be very sexual. Uh, Hello, Victor. Hello, Percy. Hello, Percy, my friend. How can I help? Ooh, what is this back there? What's this? Ooh, it's a secret. What secret is it, Victor? Oh, you did see, Percy? Let me see it. It's something you heard for a very long time. Wow! Open it. Let me see. Okay, fine, Percy. Well, open it. Lift up the crates, please. Yes, boss. Lift the crate, please. All right, boss. What is that? It's okay. That wasn't meant to spell that. Meant to be old. It's an old truck for the last many years ago. An old truck for the many years ago? Yes, Percy. Means it has been found in the mainland for over like 165 years ago. Seems. And then the engines had come right on the island Sodor to take it. So can you do me a favor and look after me for me, please? Oh, really? With that truck? Oh, no. I don't want to. I see. Wait, are you gonna do that on the truck now? You'll make the Sir Topham Hatt happy. Oh, fine, I'll do it. That's a pleasure. Go on, get covered up now. Let's go. Thank you, Victor, for surprising me. It's not the pressure, Percy. Oh, Kevin! Sorry, boss. It was slip of the hook. What is that, Percy? It's a truck from a long time ago. A truck from many years? Oh, Percy. You cannot get a truck from a long time ago. I mean it, you guys. It's very long time ago. Those Percy. You see, it should be meant to be the scrapyard. But Victor says I will look after it. Percy, you haven't. If you whoever it found, take it back. No, I won't. All right, that's enough. Percy, where'd you get this truck from? Victor gave it to me and told me to look after it. I guess so, Percy. Everyone, Percy's gonna look after the trucks. It was very old. And it says this truck is from a very long time. And it's supposed to meant to be in the scrapyard. I don't know. Why don't you ask Victor? Please, can I look after it, sir? Fine, you'll look after it. Thank you, sir. When are we gonna take that truck away? Why do I have to pull this old truck? Look at it. Look how old it is. And broken. It must be safe for scrap by now. Wait. Unless I haven't noticed that I have to hide. Hide? Wait, I have an idea. If I have to hide it, then nobody notices where it is. That's a good idea. Let's see what I can do about it. Let's see if we can find that. Oh, hey Percy. Hey Thomas. What's wrong? Nothing, fine. What's wrong with you? Well, I've got one question for you. Where's your old freight truck? Yeah, Percy, where is your old freight truck? I don't know. Why just Sir Topham Hatt? There's no Sir Topham Hatt, Percy. The Sir Topham Hatt's another station. Percy, be honest. Yeah, Percy, be honest. I think you're looking so suspicious. Maybe we should... No, it's okay. I lost it. Oh no, what do I do? I'll let you know how I found it. He's a little bit suspicious. Hi, Percy. Hi, Toby. What you doing? Nothing. Where's the old truck, Percy? I don't see anywhere. Can you, do you know where you see it? I don't know, Percy. You seem acting suspicious. No, I'm not suspicious, Toby. What's wrong, Percy? Yeah, Toby's right. You seem acting suspicious right now. I'm not acting suspicious. I'm perfectly fine. Oh, it's goodbye, Toby. Something's wrong, right, Henrietta? Yeah. Whew. At least everybody's not gonna know I left the old truck behind. Ah! Diesel! What's going on, Percy? How are you doing, shunted? No! What is wrong with you, Diesel? What is wrong with you? And wait, what is wrong with you? This is, well, guess what, Percy? I heard you all about the old truck that Victor gave me. So, where is it? Oh, I don't know. Well, why don't you ask Sir Toppin Hat? I don't know. Oh, if you don't tell her right now, I'm gonna tell Sir Toppin Hat. Oh, you wouldn't. Oh, yeah? Well, stop me. Watch me. Yes, he's gonna tell Sir Toppin Hat. Wait, he's gonna tell Sir Toppin Hat? Diesel, wait! Huh? No one's gonna tell. He's gonna tell the Fat Controller I met Sir Toppin Hat. I'm going to tell him that Diesel was lying. I will tell him, and oh, I see now, Diesel. You're lying, aren't you? No, I'm not. I'm telling the truth. Percy is taking the old cars to the hiding place where he was. Okay, Diesel, I understand. So please, can you tell me where it is? Okay, hop on. Oh no, he's gonna, I better go after him. Right there. His hiding place. This truck is... Yeah. No. You cannot take it away. It's so brand... I guess you're right. We have to take it away. Thank you, sir. Oh, no. Don't let me to take it with you. Alright, thank you, sir. Oh, Percy. Hello, sir. I was here doing fine, thank you. Let me tell you the truth. Did you put the old truck in the hiding place? Secretly? No, because... Oh, no, I lost it. Are you telling the truth? Yes, I am telling the truth. What is Diesel doing right? Oh no, he's stealing! Oh, catch him, sir! Okay, Percy, let's go. This old truck is mine! I'm gonna take it away! I'm sure Percy will be fine with those old trucks. Yeah, Toby, I'm pretty sure I'm worried of Percy. Get in trouble with the Fat Control. You really always say that, Henrietta. What the? Huh? What the? You don't have to? Get back here! Cinder's a nurse. Huh? Thomas, what are you doing? Diesel, what are you doing with those old trucks? Hi, Thomas. Diesel was stealing my old truck. Yeah, Diesel was stealing his old truck. What? No, I said Percy was about to get rid of it. I had the whole time. What? Percy, was that true? Yeah, it was. So did we do something to get help? No, it wasn't. Can you please do something to stop? Oh, I'm going too fast. I'm going to be stuck. Thomas, we're going to crash. Help. I think we're safe now. Oh no! Diesel! Why did you steal Percy's truck? Percy was telling the truth. Why did you do that? Well, I don't know. Diesel? Actually, sir, it was me. What? Percy? Did you all call this up the whole time? Yes. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. Sir? Well, we better get this truck, the old truck, out in no time. Thanks, Rocky. Now, let's take it back to Victor. Hey, easy does it, Kevin. Kevin, what do you look like? Oh, Percy. What happened to you, my friend? Welcome back. What happened? Hey. Well, we just ran away, and then I tried to stop them, but they couldn't. But Diesel stole my old truck, and then he raided as fast as he could. And then he tried to stop him, but but it was too late. And he threw it to the office and crashed into the ground. See? Oh dear. Maybe there's the way we can fix it. Really? Really? Come, my friend. Wow, Percy, you are really gonna mend these things. Kevin? Yes, boss? I'll allow you to fix Percy's old my old truck. This is broken, and could you fix it, please? I shan't, boss. Hey, come with me. Whoa, Adam, come with me, Good luck, Percy. Oh, look! Cinders and ashes. Wow, looks like your truck is good as not old anymore. I know. It's time for the visit. Well, Percy, since your truck, my truck is now... Percy, since my old truck is now fixed, can you, look after me? Yes, Victor. Thank you, Victor. Alright, come on, Percy. Let's go. Coming! Hey, you're very welcome, my friend. Let's go on a big world adventure. The world's just a train ride away. Big world, big adventures.